What is a Conestoga trailer? My name is Ruben. I'm with Tarp System in East Dundee, Illinois, and today I'm going to explain what is a tarping system, commonly known as Conestoga. The name Conestoga comes from the company called Aero Industries in Indianapolis, Indiana, and when they built their first tarping system, they named it Conestoga. And so all the drivers, all the brokers, they commonly call it a Conestoga trailer. Any tarping system manufacturer will add a serial number to the kit that they're going to install on the trailer. For example, TarpStop has installed a little plate over here, which it gives you a 4-digit serial number, and it will give you the month and the year when this was installed. When you need parts and you call us in, keep the serial number saved and tell us what number is in here. If you provide this number, we are going to know what's the height of the unit, what's the length, what's the color of the tarp, what kind of specific parts you exactly need. So we don't spend too much time measuring and guessing what it is. With that serial number, we're gonna know exactly what you need. We're gonna go over the main parts, what they're called and what they actually are. Here we have an aluminum bulkhead with a front door. On the inside, we have chain racks on the sides and the chain trays. On this track is where those rollers are traveling in or on top of it. We have a few different type of carts or trolleys with different type of wheels or rollers. In this example, we have a TarpStop cart that it's got 6 plastic wheels, and this is made of metal. The second one, it is a Quake Drill cart, very similar with TarpStop. It's made of metal and it's got plastic wheels, and they're 5. We can see the difference that those 2 big wheels travel on top of the rail, not underneath. The following, it is a cart made by Aero Industries. This is made of aluminum and it's got only 2 metal wheels. And the last one that we have an example, it is an load covering solution cart that's got 2 metal wheels and then 1 plastic. The tarp that covers the skeleton, it's premium vinyl made in Europe. It's whether made in France or Germany, and this is 20-ounce vinyl. Imagine that this has to withstand all the heat that you see in the summer in California or Texas up to 120 degrees, or the cold that you see in the winter in Wyoming or North Dakota. Other main parts of a Conestoga systems are the bows. In the front, we have a front bow. In the middle, we have a few of the intermediate bows, and all the way in the back, we have the rear bow. The sections of a kit consist in usually 6 or 7 panels or sections. You can see them here. Each section, it's got a set of push-up bows or uplifters. Those could be a number of 2, like you see here, which is a double push-up bow. They could be 4, they could be 5 or 6, depending on the manufacturer. At the back, we have a rear curtain or a rear tail that closes up with those rain flaps and little baby flaps. You can open the rear curtain in 2 ways, with a rope and pulley system that this trailer does not have, where you pull the rope and the rear curtain goes up, or we can use the long crank handle key where you do the same. The rear closing mechanism, it's an A-frame style, and it's opening and closing with a crank assembly key. The weight of an entire Conestoga kit can range from 1,500 pounds to 2,100 pounds, depending on the length and the height. If you like this video, like it, share it, and watch for more.